struggling with weight loss and low energy are common issues that many of us face in our daily lives. The constant battle to shed those extra pounds and find the energy to power through the day can be exhausting. If you're tired of trying fad diets and feeling drained all the time, it might be time to explore a new approach to the ketogenic diet. Excited to learn more about keto? Check out the link in the description below. Welcome to Emma's Health Buddy. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our health-conscious community. To truly grasp the effectiveness of the ketogenic diet for weight loss and energy, it's essential to understand how it works. At the core of the keto diet is the concept of ketosis, a metabolic state in which the body primarily uses fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. This shift in energy source is what sets the keto diet apart from other traditional diets. Macronutrients play a crucial role in the keto diet. The diet is high in healthy fats, moderate in protein, and low in carbohydrates. By drastically reducing carb intake, the body is forced to burn fat for energy, leading to weight loss. The high fat content keeps you feeling full and satisfied, while the moderate protein intake helps maintain muscle mass. The science behind the keto diet's impact on metabolism is fascinating. When the body is in ketosis, it produces ketones, which are byproducts of fat metabolism. These ketones serve as a clean and efficient source of energy for the brain and body, resulting in increased mental clarity and sustained energy levels. By understanding the mechanisms behind the keto diet, you can harness its power to transform your health and well-being. While the ketogenic diet is well known for its effectiveness in weight loss and boosting energy levels, its benefits extend far beyond just physical changes. One of the most notable advantages of following a keto diet is the improved mental clarity and focus it can provide. By fueling your brain with ketones, the diet can enhance cognitive function, helping you stay sharp and focused throughout the day. In addition to mental benefits, the keto diet can also have a positive impact on blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity. By reducing carbohydrate intake and stabilizing blood sugar levels, keto can help prevent spikes and crashes in energy, leading to more consistent energy levels and improved overall health. Furthermore, the ketogenic diet has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, which can support overall health and well-being. By reducing inflammation in the body, keto may help alleviate symptoms of chronic conditions and promote a healthier immune system. Embracing the keto lifestyle can lead to a multitude of benefits that go beyond just physical appearance, ultimately enhancing your quality of life in numerous ways. Embarking on a ketogenic journey can be both exciting and daunting, but with the right guidance, you can set yourself up for success. One of the first steps to getting started with keto is to focus on meal planning and making food choices that align with the principles of the diet. Stock up on healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Opt for high-quality proteins such as grass-fed meats and fatty fish, and load up on low-carb vegetables like leafy greens and cruciferous veggies. Transitioning to a keto lifestyle may come with its challenges, such as dealing with carb cravings or navigating social situations where carb-heavy foods are prevalent. To overcome these obstacles, consider meal prepping to have keto-friendly options readily available, find satisfying substitutes for your favorite carb-laden treats, and communicate your dietary needs to friends and family to garner their support. Before diving headfirst into the world of keto, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized guidance, address any concerns or questions you may have, and ensure that the ketogenic diet is a safe and suitable choice for you. By taking these practical steps and seeking professional advice, you can kickstart your keto journey with confidence and set yourself up for long-term success. As we wrap up our discussion on the ketogenic diet, it's important to reflect on the key points we've covered and the transformative potential this lifestyle change can offer. The ketogenic diet not only serves as a powerful tool for weight loss and increased energy levels, but also provides a myriad of benefits for overall health and well-being. By embracing the principles of keto, you can experience improved mental clarity, stabilized blood sugar levels, reduced inflammation, and so much more. If you're eager to dive deeper into the world of health and wellness, I encourage you to subscribe to Emma's Health Buddy channel for more insightful tips and resources. Want to learn more about keto? Check out the link in the description below. By staying connected, you can continue to expand your knowledge and make informed choices that support your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Now is the perfect time to take action and embark on your keto journey. By committing to this transformative way of eating, you have the opportunity to unlock your best self, both physically and mentally. Embrace the power of keto, prioritize your health, and watch as your life transforms before your eyes. The path to a healthier, happier you starts now. Are you ready to take the first step?